Oh, there we go. There's a trout. Andy's got one too. Oh, you got a trout. What is cracking, you fishing jamokes? Eastern PA fishing here. Andy Candy on the scene. It is a rare treat to go fishing with Andy. He's a super busy dude. You know what it is. Life's like that. We came to this spot here. We are definitely gonna catch ourselves some big fish, and we're probably gonna use some live bait today, believe it or not. I know we're gonna catch something nice out of here. Today, we're gonna be fishing some good old-fashioned earthworms. If there are any left in here. That'll probably do it right there. You don't need a giant piece. Just need to get a little bit of action out of these. It's a pretty sweet spot. We have the opportunity to catch some bass, carp, panfish, maybe even some stock trout that are hanging out in this hole. This hole is super deep. A lot of fresh water pumping in here. There, you can stand where I'm standing. You kind of just cast out that way into the slack. Let that little dangler do its job.
Oh, oh, oh!
You got him?
Got one. Shoulders! I'll always get shoulders.
You always get the sunnies, man. Brought Andy here to catch all the sunnies so I can catch the trout and the bass. So far, plan's working. Oh! Well, we beat the skunk. Both got a red breast. See ya, homie. Might throw in a lure. Berkeley trout worms for the big uns. These here Berkeley trout worms. This one is pumpkin seed. Good looking sunny, man. Couldn't resist. You want to try one of these guys? The worms? Oh, there we go. There's a trout. There we go. Still catching trout. And of course, he freaking murked it. Hopefully he makes it. There he goes. Well, there you go. Still making it happen, at least at this spot. Eastern PA cameraman. Andy's giving the little pink worm a shot. Oh! And the little pink worm prevails again. Whoa! There we go. There's some shoulders. These freaking panfish are insane. Another green sunfish. Andy's got one too. Oh, you got a trout. Oh, whoa, why are you lifting it like that? Oh, and he freaking swallowed it. Oh, man.
I didn't know what the fuck it was. Oh, he's throwing it back up. That's not bad.
Let me see.
That's a nice one. All right, cut the camera.
There he goes. Wow, he took off nice. We're being manhandled. All right, well, we both caught a rainbow trout and we both caught some sunfish. I might go out to the middle, try the other side. Man, this spot is so dope. Smallmouth. Oh man, what a fun little day of fishing. Look at that little guy. Probably born this year. Bluegill. Pretty one. These are some small smallies. Probably his brother right there. Maybe even the same one. Oh, dang, that was a decent one.
I got scratched in there. What was that?
I think that was a rock bass. Andy likes rock bass. I might go back to worms, man. Might need some more live bait. Something big just jumped out there. Oh my gosh. Nice bite, real nice bite. That stinks. Damn, green sunfish.